In the 21st century, when talking about the future, one cannot ignore the extraordinary power of creative technology. What was once science fiction in yesterday's world is now gradually becoming reality thanks to the convergence of human intelligence and remarkable advances in technological fields. Looking ahead, a future where creative technology not only changes the way we produce and work, but also blurs the boundaries between humans, machines, and nature. First of all, imagine artificial intelligence technology developing to the point where it can understand, respond, and even create like a human brain. These machines are no longer just tools that repeatedly execute fixed programs, but truly intellectual companions that learn over time, recognize emotions, create poetry, music, and even design entirely new systems that humans themselves have not conceived. The collaboration between humans and machines, between natural creativity and artificial creativity, opens a new era where ideas are conceived and developed at an unprecedented speed. Moreover, biotechnology is also on the verge of changing the world. Scientists can now program living cells, creating new organisms perfectly adapted to new environments, curing incurable diseases, and even regenerating human body parts using biological materials. This is not only significant for medicine, but also paves the way for an innovative agricultural sector, where crops are designed to withstand harsh climates, produce more nutrients, and minimize environmental impact. In the field of energy, innovative technology leads humanity towards a sustainable future. The new generation of solar panels is thin, lightweight, and flexible like a fabric, integrated into everyday items. Offshore wind is maximized through giant submerged turbines under the ocean, and advanced energy storage technology helps clean electricity become the main energy source for all societal activities. As a result, the cities of the future no longer depend on fossil fuels, are no longer shrouded in smog, but become green, clean urban areas connected with nature. Future transportation is also where innovative technology demonstrates its superior power. Intelligent self-driving cars are no longer just experimental ideas. They weave through every route, combining information from millions of sensors to ensure absolute safety. Especially the use of ultra-light, ultra-durable materials, combined with electric engines and AI, allows vehicles to travel at high speeds while still saving energy. Dedicated highways for electric vehicles and ultra-fast charging stations integrated into the cityscape make traveling easier and more environmentally friendly than ever before. It is impossible not to mention the Internet of Things, IoT, where billions of devices are connected, from refrigerators, air conditioners, clothes to street lighting systems, forming a vast intelligent network that coordinates with each movement and the smallest actions of human life. Smart homes, smart cities, where everything is integrated and automated, are no longer a distant visions, but a reality thanks to sensor technology, wireless communication, and advanced AI. In education, creative technology is expanding the horizon of infinite learning. Instead of being confined to traditional classrooms, learners can now access any knowledge right at home through virtual reality and augmented reality platforms. Lively lectures, interacting directly with both the virtual and real worlds, stimulate curiosity and the creative passion of each individual. Teachers are no longer one-way knowledge transmitters, but companions, guides, and stimulators of students' thinking in the journey of knowledge creation. Another equally important field is personalized healthcare, thanks to innovative technology. Each person can have their own genetic map, allowing doctors to design individualized treatment plans, select optimal prevention methods, nutrition, and exercise tailored specifically for them. 3D printing technology enables the creation of medical devices and even the printing of tissues, bones, or internal organs suitable for each patient. All of this aims toward the goal of optimal health and superior quality of life. Not only that, virtual reality and augmented reality technologies open up completely new experiences in art, entertainment, and tourism. Users can travel to any place just through a pair of virtual reality glasses, feeling the atmosphere, sounds, and even tastes in locations thousands of kilometers away. Virtual concerts, digital space exhibitions, or hyper-realistic role-playing games will become symbols of the creative technology era where all limits of space and time are blurred. The strong development of creative technology in the future also poses great challenges in ethics and governance. Humanity must face timeless questions. What are the boundaries for intervention in nature? How is privacy and personal data protected in the digital age? How can technology serve and enhance human values instead of erasing human identity? These are the problems that the whole society needs to reflect on and act upon to ensure that technology truly becomes a source of inspiration for a better world. Ultimately, the future of creative technology is not only about reaching for the unimaginable, but also about nurturing human values, solidarity, and sustainable creativity. Thanks to the dedication of scientists, engineers, artists, designers, and the relentless spirit of innovation, humanity will create a new era where technology and creativity walk hand in hand, opening up vast horizons never before seen in the history of human development.